Getting ready to put the door up today. Started it yesterday, got it unpacked and ready to go. I'm out here putting the hinges on this morning and I see that there's a dent in the bottom section of the door. Don't know how it got there. It arrived with corner protectors on it. That was the top of the stack. None of the corner protectors were damaged. I didn't see any damage on them, so I got a dent. Not enough to return the door, but it's kind of annoying. You don't want to pay almost $1,000 for a door and then find out it's dented. But it's a nice door. It's a steel stamped door and plenty solid. The other thing that bugs me is these hinges. They're made to go with that bolt going into a hole which lines up to a pre-drilled hole in the frame. If you turn it around, this hole has adjustment slots. So you can run it back and forth and get it out of position. You want to have all these hinges lined up at the same spot, just like you don't want to have one door hinge on one side of the door and the other door hinge on the other side. You got to have them lined up or it doesn't work. So if you go with this slotted door to get the hinge pin in if you go with these slots in the hinge to get the hinge pin lined up with this edge, then you're going to have to fight all of them all the way down. So I'm going to flip them like this and set them up and see if they work. We'll try it. If it doesn't work, I'll have to do something different. But that's two problems so far. I don't want to have any more problems with this thing. This should be one of those easy door operations because I've put up a lot of garage doors. This is not something new to me. And these are the things that I look for first when I find a garage door that I'm working on. So that's what it is. We'll have to see what happens.